Hi guys, Bleach here, working on the new snapper. I come out here, try to start it, it won't run. I'm thinking it's not getting gas. It's got one of those fuel shut-off solenoids on the bottom. It prevents the carburetor from like backfiring and stuff. And I've drained the gas through the filter into a gas tank. This gas line's gonna have to be cut. There's a split. I'd like to cut my gas lines with scissors instead of a utility knife. It just makes it easier so you can do a straight cut. But what I'm getting at is the fuel filter. Look at it. Oh yeah, can you see all that crud in there? It's completely black with filth. That could have something to do with it why it's not running. Hope you can see that okay, guys. Let's replace this fuel filter with the baby one. It's just a baby. It's meant for maybe a Chinese moped or scooter or something. That's what the fuel filters are for. So let's see how it goes, guys. See if we can get it to run. Because look at my grass. It's high. It's really high. Alright, we're back. I have enough line to make this little piece shorter. This one, I tell you, these holes get bigger and they won't fit on the gas filter. So you have to like cut them with a pair of scissors or whatever is easiest for you, utility knife. And we just make the holes smaller, basically. Uh-oh. FedEx truck. Do I got something? Do I got something? Doubt it, guys. Alright, guys. It's back together. Hopefully I can just dump gas in. Hopefully it don't leak. You can see it's got a little dip there. It doesn't seem to affect it any. Generally, you should have your gas hoses even like that. But whoever did this gas hose last put too much gas hose on there. Which is great because you can keep cutting it when it wears out, when you replace filters and things. Well guys, the filter's not filling up with gas, so this is going to be a fun process. I want to have to clean the gas tank. Just great. Hi guys, we're back. My batteries are about to run out. I could not get this thing to run with starter fluid or car cleaner. It could be flooded. Could be water in the gas. Just had a problem with my neighbor's gas, water being in it. My push mower wouldn't start. Unless I leave this thing out in the rain, water could have gotten the gas. Hopefully not the oil. But we'll see how it goes. I'm going to wait an hour, see if the flood comes out. If it still doesn't start, I'm going to drain the gas, get new gas, and I'll burn this gas in the Simplicity tractor. With the seafoam, it should burn it, hopefully, and get the water out of it. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Gets better and better, guys. Now the starter is stuck. I really love this tractor. I really love it. Oh, it shut off. My God, the starter just got stuck on it and wouldn't stop. So I'm doing really good, guys. And now there's a bee after me. Alright guys, we're back. Has one of these E3s in it. E3 2.0 or 220 or something. I wonder what the equivalent to this is. A Champion. I don't have a plug like this. I'm hoping it'll fire off of this. Briggs & Stratton, basically a RJ19. See how it goes. I still can't get it to fire, guys, so I think I'm going to get a new plug, the equivalent to that E320, and hopefully they give me the right one at Walmart. Know what I'm talking about. You know how that is. But I think I'll get another plug before I drain the gas out of this thing to see if it's water in the gas. But it probably just is water in the gas. I don't know what to think. But you've seen that plug. You take care, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye. This is part 1, I guess. In my life, guys, starts the thunderstorm. I go to take the battery off the snapper, put it on the MTD, and it starts thunderstorming. So I can't really do anything now, and I'm really angry. So please comment and subscribe so you can see me get angry further. Take care, guys. Bye. Alright, guys. We're back. It stopped raining. The Hulk is gone. The Incredible Hulk in me is gone. We're going to take this battery, put out in the MTD, put it in the MTD, see if it cranks over, see if that rat chewed the wires on the MTD, hopefully not, and then that's it. Alright guys, here's the end of the video. Let's see if this thing cranks over, because it's going to be But I'll be using until I get the other one fixed. Thank you, God. Thank God the Simplicity mouse did not go through the MTD tractor. So that's good, it cranks over. So that battery right there is dead. So apparently the Tractor Supply batteries last like 2 years. Go figure. Plus we had a really cold winter, guys. So this is the battery out of the Snapper. I'm going to use this one a while. I don't know when the tie rod's going to get welded on the Snapper LT11 tractor, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe in the fall. I don't know, guys. I want to test drive this thing soon. I can just jump it on my jump starter to start it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm up to 350 subscribers, guys. This is pretty cool. And don't be afraid to write a comment, guys. I'm not that weird. I mean, I am weird. Look at the way I act and carry myself. I'm weird. So see you soon, guys, in Weirdsville. Take care, guys. Bye.